Obviously, I think to kind of clear the air a little bit here, my humble attempt at it, Mr. Hamilton's obviously a bit frustrated with what's going on here. But I think the problem stems from the fact that the municipal form of government under which you and all cities are operating, basically pretty much, is basically an unconstitutional form of government, as well as the municipal court is an unconstitutional form of court adjudicating process. It's basically a military tribunal, and that can be illustrated by the fact that we have a constitutional guarantee for due process of law to be available to the people. Due process of law, that's a constitutional guarantee. That should be something that y'all can click on in your mind. And the municipal court does not follow constitutional due process of law. It follows a military style of summary judgment process, and that inherently abuses the rights of the people. And so you get things like Mr. Hamilton being emotionally frustrated because his constitutionally guaranteed rights are not being respected by your municipal form of jurisdiction and court adjudication enforcement. And so Mr. Hamilton's request that the municipal judge be elected, that would be a big step in the right direction. And I would even suggest the judicial power is supposed to be decentralized down amongst the communities, and there should be a court of law at the lower, smaller level here. If y'all could at least provide Mr. Hamilton with a court of law that has jury trials that follow due process of law, and we shouldn't have to go to the county to do that. The more smaller local precincts should be allowed to do that. And I dare say that grabbing Mr. Hamilton's van and the manner in which it was done was not in harmony with fundamental principles of due process of law. I plan on being in consultation with Mr. Hamilton about all of this. We've got emails that we can talk about it in the background. I believe things like this can be settled amongst honorable people without the necessity of inflammatory.
And I hope that Mr. Hamilton does make the appointment with our city manager. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
That from here.